Hey everyone, this is Katie. I'm going to be doing a quick demo with the product I just got today. It's from Ulta, and it's their Ulta brand, and it's a lip primer. If you want to get your lipstick to stay, your liquid lipstick, you use this first. That's what it looks like. You prime your lips just like you do eyeshadow. This is about $9. You get it at any Ulta store or online. And then I'm going to be using the Farmasi lip liner. This is a sharpener, so you must sharpen it. And this is in number... It's the nude lip liner in 203. And then I'm going to be using the Brave liquid lipstick from Farmasi. It's a nude shade. They have the whole nude lip kit, so it comes with all three of these. With the liquid lipstick, no drying, cracking, long lasting. Followed by the Dusty Rose lip gloss, non-sticky. And that is it. So this is the key to getting your lipstick to stay, is just find a lip primer. So always thank you for watching.